To groan, gemir. Gemir. The sheep is crazy. It's going to groan. La oveja está loca. Va a gemir. All night long. Toda la noche. Gemir. To knock. Golpear. When it's, a little hard, To knock. Golpear. You should knock on the door. Deberías golpear la puerta. When they're not responding, the easy way is tocar la puerta, to touch the door. And if they're not hearing you, you're going to golpear la puerta. Knock on the door. Bueno. To please. Complacer. Complacer. I'm going to please you with my show. Os voy a complacer con mi show. To spark. To shine. Brillar. Brillar. That is very shining. Eso está brillando mucho. So, to shine, to spark, brillar. Shiny, brillante. To glue things together. Pegar. Pegar. Careful there, it also means to hit. But to glue is pegar. I'm going to glue these two pieces of paper together. Voy a pegar estos dos papeles. To grease, like your bicycle. Engrasar. Engrasar. My bike is not going well. I need to grease it. Mi moto no va bien. La tengo que engrasar. Engrasar. To spell. Deletrear. Deletrear. What I just did, actually. Could you spell this for me? ¿Me puede deletrear esto, por favor? To unfasten. Desabrochar. I've never been to the UK, but to unfasten. Desabrochar. Please unfasten your seatbelts. Por favor, desabróchense los cinturones. Desabrochar. To claim. Reclamar. Reclamar. It also means to complain. Reclamar. I claim this fort. Or something. Yo reclamo este castillazo. Ole. To prevent. Prevenir. Prevenir. Like to come before. It's better to prevent. Es mejor prevenir. To signal, to point. Señalar. Señalar. Could you please point me, signal me the right direction? ¿Me puede usted, por favor, señalar la dirección? Señalar. And the noun a sign is una señal. Aventajar. To get ahead of something. To surpass. Aventajar. Aventaja a todos. En el trabajo. He gets ahead of everybody. In his work. Aventaja a todos. En el trabajo. Bajar is to go down. To descend. Let's go down the stairs slowly. Bajemos las escaleras o la escalera despacio. Bajemos despacio. It also means to fall, to drop. The temperature fell. La temperatura bajó. Bajó la temperatura. And bajar also means to lower, to bring down. Bring the suitcase down from my room, please. Por favor, baje usted la maleta de mi cuarto. Baje usted la maleta, por favor. And when you make it reflexive, bajarse, it means to get down or to get off something, somewhere. They saw us as they were getting off the train. Nos vieron al bajarse del tren. Al bajarse del tren, nos vieron. Bueno, ya basta de bajarse, continuamos con bromear. To joke, to be kidding. Bromear. He is always joking. Él está siempre bromeando. Bromeando anda el tío todo el día. O sea que, bromear. To drink to a person's health. To toast. Chin chin. Brindar. Brindar. Let's drink to your health. Brindemos a su salud. Brindemos a su salud. And a toast is un brindis. Y después de brindar, vamos a calentar. To heat, to warm, calentar. Please, heat the water. Caliente el agua. Por favor. Por favor, caballero, me calienta el agua. Calentarse, reflexive, to get warm, to warm yourself. They warmed themselves in the sun. Se calentaron al sol. Pepe y Manolo se fueron a Benidorm y ahí los dos se calentaron al sol. Cambiar. To change. Cambiar. He has not changed a bit since I saw him. No ha cambiado nada desde que le vi. Pepito ahí, desde la última vez que lo vi, no ha cambiado nada. So, to change, cambiar.